Shalom! Thank you for tuning in with Dining with Zion, and today I have a delicious recipe for you guys. And if you guys haven't already, check out my other recipes down below. With that, you guys, I'm going to be making some turkey ham sliders today. So please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and also click that notification button to not miss any of my recipes that are coming up soon. So with that, I will see you in the recipe. So let's get into these ingredients. I'm going to be using salted butter, brioche, butter rolls. You can use regular rolls if you desire to, or homemade ones are better. Parmesan Romano. This is the star of the show, you guys. Turkey ham. This is 100% turkey. Garlic and herb seasoning. We're also going to be using parsley flakes, garlic powder, and some Himalayan sea salt as well. And also I want to say the cheese is optional. So let's start out with this turkey ham. As you can see, this turkey ham looks very close to the other thing, but it's turkey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this down to thin slices, and you're going to just cut as many slices as you need to cover the brioche rolls. So here I am getting prepared to go ahead and cook these turkey ham because it is raw meat, so you do want to cook this. Now you do want to cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side so it can get a little char, just a little bit. Now as you can see here, I have already been cooking it and it's gotten a little char on the other side, and that's exactly the way you want it. And then from here, go ahead and set this over to the side. Let's work on the butter and garlic herb sauce. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add at least a half a stick of butter. Now you can add more butter if you desire to, because you're going to need some more on the top. So what you're going to do is you're going to melt this butter down, just like so, as you can see me doing right now. And then once your butter has melted, we're going to add the herbs. I'm going to add garlic and herb. And this is only going to be probably a half a tablespoon. Some garlic powder, same measurement, half tablespoon of garlic powder. And these are to taste. So I'm going to be using some Italian seasoning on this as well, and some parsley flakes. Now optional, you can throw in some red pepper flakes too to give it a little bit of kick. And now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese, which this is going to take it to another level. Adding the Parmesan cheese is just going to add another level of flavor that is so delicious and so divine. So with that, you guys, give it a quick stir, just like so in the video. Also, you can take it off of the heat, or matter of fact, just go ahead and turn off the stove. And I'm just going to go ahead, since we haven't added any salt contents, I'm going to add some Himalayan sea salt. Now this is just a taste, you guys, so make sure that you use as much as desired. And give it a quick stir, and that's it. There you have it. You have your herb, garlic, butter sauce that we're going to be putting on the brioche buns. But with that, you guys, let's go ahead and set that off to the side. Let's bring these brioche rolls. So now that we have our brioche butter rolls, we're going to use a serrated knife to cut in between the rolls. This is going to allow us to have a flat surface. And as you can see right here, I'm just showing you how. Straight through the middle, you guys. Now once you're done cutting through the middle, you're just going to simply place the other brioche roll on top of the other one, and we're going to grab that butter garlic and herb sauce that we made earlier and just spread it on half of the brioche roll. Now once you're done spreading that, what we're going to do is we're going to layer this. I have right here that I'm using is pepper jack cheese, but you're welcome to use any cheese that you want. So as I layer this, I'm just making sure all corners are covered with that cheese. And then I'm going to add my turkey ham. Once I've added my turkey ham, I'm just going to give it another layer of cheese because I do want this cheesy and delicious. And then I'm going to top it off with some Parmesan Romano cheese as well. And then that's it. You just cover that side and that's all to it. I'm going to do the exact same to the other side as well. This is definitely an easy, simple recipe that you can definitely make for the kids, for the family. Enjoy breakfast time with your family with this recipe. So with that, let's just finish it up. And then from here, I am also going to add that I did add a little more butter in the pan where I kept all of the garlic and the herb seasonings. So you'll see that here just in a few. So keep watching. As you can see, I have a little more butter in there, and I wanted to layer the top of the brioche rolls just to give it a little bit more butter flavor. And then I'm going to top it off with some Parmesan Romano as well. And of course, this is definitely optional. And then I'm going to top it off with a little bit of Parmesan cheese as well. Grated Parmesan cheese. And then I'm also going to put some parsley flakes as well. And that's it, you guys. You guys are going to sit this in the oven for at least 8 minutes at 350 degrees. And there you have it. Delicious turkey ham sliders. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Also, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit. And with that, I will see you in the next video. I'm out.